Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So when I try to tap my Android mobile notification panel, in every time it shows a notification checking for new messages, and this notification is coming from WhatsApp. So why this happening? So if your WhatsApp friend maybe sent any photos or videos, that WhatsApp takes some time to display the preview of that file in your notification panel. So if you want to disable this notification, just follow me friends. So very simple method to fix this issue is just long press on your WhatsApp Messenger app icon. So here you can press app info and then click to access notifications, and it shows all type of WhatsApp notifications. So slightly scroll down, but my notification type is other notification. So just click to turn off this option. So once you disable it, in future it does not show that kind of messages from your notification panel. So anyway, if this trick maybe not works, just comment to me. I give the another solution to fix this issue. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.